evening. Yeah, we are at the cold storage. Okay, there's some bread here. Mm, focaccia. Different kind of focaccia. But they don't have my red velvet cake. I wanted to buy. This is a gourmet. Goat cheese. Yeah, we are at the Santay. Okay. Don't have much today. Kasi masyadong paninda. Oh, cut fruits. This is champagne. Some cut fruits. Mixed fruits. Honey, no, don't buy that. Honey, fed up. You see, there's some duck. No, not fed up to eat. Yeah, na. Duck. This one want to buy this one. I'm fed up. Don't feel like eat. Yeah.
My son can.
Okay lah. How much?
390.
319. This is so many. Here, there's some Japanese, takeaway, ready to eat meals. We are at the cold storage, CS. Okay. May 10, 2026. Okay. Supermarket. It's a large supermarket. Yeah, varieties of nuts. Oh God. Jelly candies. What's this? Honeyman. Honeyman. What's it like? Honeyman peach. Grapefruit. More nuts. Jelly candies. So many varieties. Some cheese. This is the one what we used to buy. Okay, dumpling. More dumplings. Ready to eat, like fried. Make one. Okay, folks, some pasta here, so many things here. Bacon, ham. Anyway, there's lizard pork. Just buy a little of the box. Some herbs. Meat section. Here, some cheese. Ooh, $10. $10. Last berry. Some preserved, this one like they call pesto. Yeah. got this one. Olives. I used to eat this one for olives. Ham. Okay. Here. There's some pork here. 2 for $9. And maybe we can buy this one, the pork belly. Two for $9. Pork belly. Okay.
All the same.
Yeah, only this one. Wala, the same na. Okay, enjoy folks. Okay. That's for tonight. There's leasing for it. Enjoy Singapore. May 10, 2026. Okay? And you take for me. Okay.
This one is a pork section. This one all about pork.
Enjoy folks, Singapore, May 10, 2026. Happy Sunday.